Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 17x25x1 air filter on the market. The Simply 17x25x1 air filter, Merv 8, MPR 600, available in a convenient 6-pack. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient filter to keep your home's air clean, this might just be the one you need. Let's start with the basics. This filter measures 17x25x1 inch, though the actual size is 16.75x24.75x0.75 inches, making it compatible with almost any standard HVAC system, furnace, or air conditioning unit. Its universal fit means you don't have to worry about brand compatibility or complicated installation. Simply follow the airflow arrows, slide it into your unit's filter slot or return grill, and you're set. One of the standout features of this filter is its Merv 8 rating, which strikes a perfect balance between efficient particle capture and maintaining strong airflow. What does that mean in practical terms? It effectively traps dust, pet dander, pollen, mold spores, and other common airborne allergens, capturing up to 90% of airborne particles between 3 and 10 microns. This helps improve indoor air quality, making your living spaces healthier and more comfortable, especially for allergy sufferers or homes with pets. What sets the Simply filter apart is its advanced pleated design. It has a higher pleat count than many other retail filters, which increases the surface area and allows for better filtration without sacrificing airflow. This design not only improves efficiency but also helps the filter last longer, providing up to 3 months of dependable filtration before needing replacement. Durability and quality are also key. Made in the USA with 100% American components, including recycled materials, these filters offer a reassuring level of craftsmanship and performance. The packaging is heat-sealed and shrink-wrapped to ensure that every filter arrives clean, dust-free, and ready to use. Now, let's talk convenience. This filter comes in a 6-pack, so you have replacements ready for the year ahead if you change filters quarterly as recommended. The installation is hassle-free, making it a great choice for anyone wanting an easy, no-fuss air filter solution. In terms of value, this product offers a solid balance between cost and performance. It compares well to other well-known brands like 3M Filtrete MPR 600 and Honeywell FPR 5, delivering similar filtration power at a competitive price. Whether you're using it in a residential setting, an office, or even a commercial space, this filter handles the job efficiently. So, if you want to breathe easier with cleaner air and a filter that fits easily and works effectively, the Simply 17x25x1 Merv 8 air filter is definitely worth considering. It combines advanced filtration technology, a user-friendly design, and solid American manufacturing, all packed in a multi-pack for convenience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Stay safe and breathe clean.